Here is tutorial to draw Angry Bird in Procreate. Create new canvas. Insert a photo. Create color palette. Pick colors from image. Select syrup brush. Start drawing. Draw strokes carefully, adjust pressure for better stroke quality. Pick color and fill inside. Let's draw eyes. For pupils, draw circle and fill with color. Adjust shape properly. Similarly, draw eyebrows and fill with color. Adjust shape properly. Now, duplicate eyebrows and create second eyebrow. Adjust the placement. Now, draw the remaining drawing carefully, and complete. Pick yellow color from palette and fill the art. And you are done.